Hello, all of you. Today I'm going to walk you through the Fieldomobify and why it's needed for field service organizations. The power of mobility is helping many organizations to implement the processes even at the field. The combination of cloud and mobile brings great value with affordability and ease of use for all users in organizations. Many times, field operators need lots of information while working in the field. They have to call an office for the information and accordingly make decisions on the site. The major work or core part of a field service organization is done at the field. Offices maintain the data and does strategy, planning, and coordination. Many times, office management need to know what's happening on the site so that they can better manage the customer expectations. Fieldomobify is the system which helps to connect the office to the field and the field to the office. It helps to all operations at the field so that the tactical plan created by supervisors is executed. It helps to efficient execution of strategy decided by management. Example, energy-saving solution company shall have installations of different batteries at a site. There can be multiple contacts of the customer. Example, the fumigation company shall have to do fumigations on vessel of specific size. It also shall have contacts, location, etc. Typically, a field service organization is working on system parts installed on a site. The company has either service order of the installation, job order of preventative maintenance, breakdown maintenance, or any particular service like fumigation, etc. The execution requires skillful resources, parts, and location details so that the operator can reach on the same location. Dispatcher, manager, coordinator manages the schedule of sending material, parts, and resources. Sometimes they source it from the outside vendors too. Execution is always on client site. The execution time, location, and material consumed on site is the most important data point from organization perspective. Here comes the power of mobility. With mobile devices, all these are easily added into the system. This also reduces the post-data entry work and helps organizations to get real-time data. The system also helps to create invoices on each service call, track amount pending, identify the age of pending invoices. Field operator is able to see the historical records on that particular asset site for a particular customer. The report says, the system helps to increase service visits by 18%, reduce service calls for the same work by 25%, increase in revenue contribution per technician by 40%. It helps to reduce logistics costs by 30%. Companies are using the system for scheduling the service calls for a full week, month, and year too. Scheduling helps to manage the skillful resource, territory-wise teams. The goggle-like calendar control helps the dispatcher to manage the urgent calls, call ration for each technician, and balance on travel required. The field technician is connected via mobile app, and he gets the service call with all the details, customer, location, site, work details, history, etc. immediately. The many times technician needs to know the installation details even before reaching there or at the site too. The mobile device helps them to understand the serial IDs of parts. Inventory and movement tracker help organization to check the material movement patterns. Technician updates the service call as resolved once they perform at the site. They also take photos on site, which helps organizations to understand the site details with live photo. This also helps reduce the technician's efforts of writing long essays into service reports. They can also easily convey with pictures and images. The mobile app helps organizations to get the signatures, feedback from their clients. This actually helps organizations to understand the feelings of clients. Service organizations need to know the feelings along with real-life data to make the organization better. Locations captures are optional and configurable at different events, while capturing photos of the site visit, getting signatures of customers, after every 30 minutes into service schedule. This reduces the travel time during next visits as the app helps to view the direction of the existing clients. Account manager always needs to know the total accounts to be renewed in the next month, the best served account in the last month, satisfaction reports. There are different contracts like AMC, on-call, one-time service, etc. Based on contact validity, the technician or the person who is managing inbound calls understands the amount to bill to the end client with ease. Some solutions for our growth. online solution for mobile and in-house resources, planning and task scheduling, forecasting of resources, time and location-based reporting, management insight, inventory management, real-time customer interaction, field service staff satisfaction. Benefits of Fieldomobify are, for customers, improve customer satisfaction, hassle-free service. For organization, reduce operational cost, staff overheads, fuel expenses, receive feedback on each service call, increase in customer retention. For management, improve real-time visibility, location-wise business analytics, and better control. For staff, increase productivity, paperless service. Thank you for listening to this. Let us know if you have any feedback or questions.